morning, bro.
Hey, what's going on, man?
What's up, man?
You flexing?
I'm flexing, man.
Oh man, listen, I saw that Instagram post last night. You're back, part. Was that an old one? Oh, maybe it was an old one.
It's an old one. Which one?
Okay,
Nah,
I don't know. You looked like you were living La Vida Loca.
Nah, that's an old one, man.
Okay, all right. Good morning, Squeeze. Good morning, 93.5 FM.
Lawyer, good morning.
Good morning.
I'll let you do the intro this morning, man.
Wait, hold on. Who's greeting the thousands of people right now that are listening to the show? Okay.
You are. You are greeting everybody.
So let me do my thing. Thank you very much. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, Facebook. Good morning, Instagram. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, 93.5 FM. My name is Adam Handler. I am your case handler. We're on a little earlier today, which I love because it helps me reach different audiences. Sometimes people are in their car at 8. Sometimes people are in their car at 9. Some people are in their car at 10. But you're tuning in, and that's the most important thing. Thank you so very much. I am a personal injury lawyer, a third-generation attorney. I've been broadcasting on this radio station in one form or another for nearly 17 years, almost my entire legal career since 2005. So very excited that I have this platform. You certainly are the community that's embraced me, and I've embraced you right back. And here's what I do. If you're ever in an accident, whether it's a trip and fall, car accident, construction accident, medical malpractice, no matter how the accident happened, if you've been hurt through the fault of somebody else, regardless of your immigration status, my job is to get you and the family as much money as possible, as much money for your injury, which is your pain and suffering, for your medical bills, your time out of work, all that stuff, because you got one shot to get it right. They call me the case handler. Why? Because I do exceptional legal work on behalf of my clients who trust me and love me like family, and I trust them and love them like family. My phone number, in case you don't have it, but maybe you don't, is 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529, or easy to remember, 844-PPID law. PPID is my firm, Pollock, Isaac, and DeSico. I'm down with PPID. You're down with PPID. Squeeze is down with PPID.
I'm down with PPID.
All right. Well, it's good to know. And Squeeze, every morning we do this show, we mix it up as much as we can to keep it interesting, keep it fresh. But the message is always the same. That's that I am an excellent attorney here to provide the best possible legal representation to you and your family. And if that's something that's important to you, take my information down and keep it. If that's something that's not important to you and you just want to go with any attorney that a family member recommends, or some guy you see on the billboard, or some woman you see on TV, then I wish you the best of luck, because once you sign on that dotted line, once you take that money, you can never reopen the case, Squeeze.
Listen, ladies and gentlemen, I don't care what he says. This guy is too modest, man. One of these days, him and I are going to rumble, man. I don't care what he says. Even if you hear another guy or whatever, still take Adam's number, all right? And even if you go with another person, still take Adam's number, because a reckoning will come. And when that reckoning comes, God forbid, you get into an accident in the future, you're going to say, Adam's your man. Come on. Ladies and gentlemen.
I never want to force anything on anybody, and I've heard so many horror stories about people that either went with a lawyer that came up to them at the scene of the accident, or was referred to them by one of these shady doctors that they're going to at these therapy clinics that are kind of, not doing everything above board. And I just shake my head, because people, maybe it's because they've never been in that situation before. And I give people, the benefit of the doubt that they just don't know. I don't like using the word ignorant. I think it's a tough word, but if you're not aware of something, I guess you are ignorant of something.
Not having knowledge.
Maybe you just don't know. And if you've never been in an accident before, it's a scary time, and you're very vulnerable. And that's why these other lawyers, and that's why these other doctors, they prey on you, because they see you as a dollar sign. They see you as a file, whereas I see you as family. I see you as a friend. And when you have an attorney that's treating you like a friend, or an attorney that's treating you like family, you can't lose. You really can't. And I've helped thousands of people over the course of my career. Squeeze, you are a witness. You are a spectator to this. Thousands of people over the course of my career obtain millions and millions and millions and millions of dollars. We're shading close to $140 million during the course of my career. $140 million tax-free, mostly for immigrants or family of immigrants. So something I'm very, very proud of, Squeeze.
Absolutely. Ladies and gentlemen, let me give you a different example. Adam is,
let me give it to you straight.
Yeah, Adam is a phenomenal personal injury attorney. If you get hurt, you absolutely 100% need his number. So I am going to force it on you. And I'm going to explain it this way. And I'm quite sure he's going to agree. We're all human beings, right, Adam?
Yes, we are.
Okay. And human beings, we need oxygen in order to survive, correct?
Is this a BioLife plug right now?
No, it's not.
Okay.
BioLife plugs itself, does well. But if a human being needs oxygen, and you know that that human being needs oxygen, right?
Yes.
Aren't you going to give it to the human being whether or not they want the oxygen or not?
Of course, they need it. Otherwise, they can't survive.
Oh, absolutely. You're not going to give them something where they don't survive, right?
Absolutely not.
Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is how I look at when you get into an accident. You need oxygen, and that oxygen happens to be Adam Handler. All right? Because if you get anything else, hey, listen, you're not going to get exactly what it is what you truly deserve. So go with Adam Handler. And I'm going to tell you how. He has been doing this longer than any attorney on this radio station, 93.5 WVIP FM. There's absolutely no attorney that can get on this station and upstage Adam Handler. As a matter of fact, when this man walks into the courthouses around this neck of the woods, New Jersey and New York, the judges, they know who this man is. And when he walks into court and the other side sees who it is that walks into court, I'm quite sure they're shaking somewhat in their boots.
Yeah, they know I mean business. I mean, listen, I've settled dozens and dozens of cases for $1 million plus, right? Millions and millions of dollars. The insurance companies are not paying me and my clients millions and millions of dollars on cases unless they have a fear that they are about to get body slammed in court, right? My highest settlement is 5.2 million. The one under that is 5 million. The one under that is 3.4 million, then 3 million, 2.75, 2. It just goes down and down to, all the way down to, $5,000. But those are all important cases. And I'm proud of the work I do, and I could never do it without people's endorsement of my practice, without the referrals. And attorneys are out there, and good attorneys are out there telling you over and over and over, use me, I'm good, use me. But we're showing you how great I am. There's a difference between telling somebody and showing somebody. What's that Jerry Maguire on? Show me the money. Well, that's what the clients, demand, and rightfully so. And I have, a testimony after testimony of real life.
Prove it, dude.
Okay.
Dude,
all right.
Prove it. I want to hear something. Do you have anything? I bet she doesn't have anything.
Sure.
If you need a good personal injury lawyer, call Adam Handler, the case handler. Adam and his team, very, very polite people. They treat you like family. I've known Adam for a couple of years, and I've sent many clients to see him, and everyone has been excited for, what he has done for them. So if you need a good attorney, please call Adam Handler for your personal injury. And as the commercial goes, you're in good hands with Adam Handler, the case handler.
Wow.
I think you're getting confused with Allstate. You're in good hands, and that's who I usually body slam in court. But
I was about to say, you beat up those mothers every day.
This dude, I love this guy.
If you need a lawyer, the best lawyer is Adam Handler, the case handler. He's awesome. He'll walk you through everything step by step. He'll leave you nothing unturned. Adam Handler, the case handler, best ever lawyer in the city and in the world.
Listen, I don't know. Best lawyer in the world is a high. That's a high an important badge to wear. I'd like to think I am. This guy certainly.
Take the award and walk off the stage, man. Take the freaking award and get off the stage. You know, come on. You know,
I mean, these are individuals that I'm either helping right now or I've helped before. Absolutely have nothing to gain by their endorsement. And Squeeze, I truly believe that their endorsement is the best possible endorsement that I can have. I've said it in my top of the hour spots and with no apology. Lawyers pay a lot of money, to be on the radio. Lawyers pay a lot of money to be on TV, billboards. That costs money. But the endorsements of those individuals who never, ever, ever expected they get into an accident and then somehow needed my help, I truly believe are the best possible endorsements. Listen to people's referrals, but the endorsements of those individuals, these are God-fearing people, charitable people, but bad things happen to good people, Squeeze. We've seen it all the time. Their endorsement really is the best way for you to understand, how exceptional we handle our business here.
Absolutely. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, I am David Squeezaniki, CEO of the Link Up Media Group of Company, where Link Up Radio is concerned on 93.5 FM since 1996. This brother also, we have been doing this show, as he would say, in one way or another for the past 17 years or just thereabout.
Yeah.
Truly the most powerful personal injury attorney, which simply means if you ever get hurt in an accident, regardless of the kind of accident, still reach out to him, whether it's a trip and fall, medical malpractice, bus accident, car accident, bike accident, whatever accident. I've seen people with stove that's been blown up in their face and all of that.
Yep. We could talk about those cases.
We've seen construction cases, people falling off scaffolding. Yesterday, Adam mentioned one where some dude got hurt and he's got pictures that someone saw and took pictures. He's going to be working on that case potentially. So right now I'm saying to everybody, before we end the show, let's do a solid. Everyone, get your phones out. Please, if you're driving, hey, try to remember the number 844-PPID-LAW. But if you're not and you can actually store the number of this personal injury attorney, this case handler, this shark, this beast, because that's how he's going to fight for you, like a shark, like a beast. Now, the number is 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. I have not asked you to do this in a while, and that is to dial the phone number and let it ring so that Adam picks up the number at his desk right now. 844-774-3529. We're ending the show, so he'll be able to pick up the phone. Let's just see if he's asleep still or if this is a pre-recorded show. Make the call over to Adam Handler, your personal injury attorney, and say, good morning. 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. Give the Jamaican a call. All right?
The Hebrew
a call. All right. The Irie attorney a call. 844-774-3529. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, don't make the mistake and go with another attorney. I don't care who says it. Make sure you go with Adam Handler. He has proven what it is that he can do for a people. That's you. 844-774-3529. Easily remembered. 844-PPIDLAW. Adam Handler, thank you.
Yeah, just lock that number in, please. Dial it, let it ring a few times, and hang up. Thousands and thousands and thousands of you have that number saved. I'm so very blessed for that. And also, I'll invite those of you listening right now on 93.5 FM to go one step further. Check out the Case Handler on Instagram. Check out the Case Handler on Facebook. See with your own very eyes the exceptional legal work we do. I think you'll be very impressed and, be part of our family. Thousands and thousands and thousands of people follow and engage the Case Handler on social media. It's a wonderful platform to be connected to my practice, to see all those true life success stories, real people, real injuries, real solutions. Couldn't be prouder of that platform. And Squeeze, of course, you and I, we advertise together. And we provide information, quality information together. We've been doing it for 17 years, and we are friends. This is not just a business relationship that we have. I trust Squeeze. Squeeze trusts me. He's known me really my entire legal career before I was really even in charge of things back at my old job. He believed in me since day one, and I strive to never let him down. And folks, I'll never let you down.
And you have not let me down, and you have not let the people down. And we say that's the reason why everyone should have your number as the top personal injury attorney on the station, off the station, in this nation, New Jersey, New York. Lock it in. 844-774-3529. That's 844-PPIDLAW. That's 844-774-3529. With that said, you have yourself an amazing day, an amazing weekend. And please be safe out there. It's a dangerous world, but thank God for Adam Handler. 844-774-3529. Enjoy. Adam?
Thanks, brother. Appreciate it.